Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, question number 4, part B is 3 to the power 2x squared plus 9x plus 2, which is equals to 1 over 9. So to solve this exponential equation, our power equation, we will use the property which is the a power u is equals to a power v. Now it means that the powers would be equals u equals to v. We can cancel out. So in this question we will use this property. Now have a look. First we have to make the same basis on the both sides. But here it will keep same, the 2x squared plus 9x plus 2, which is equals to 1 over 9. So 9 is the square of 3. So we will change into the same base which is on left side. So 3 to the power 2. Now we need to change the denominator into numerator. The left side we will keep same again, plus 2, which is equals to 3 to the power, it becomes minus 2. Now by using the property, it would be the 2x squared plus 9x plus 2, which is equals to minus 2. Now we will shift here the minus 2 on the other side of equal, so it becomes 2x squared plus 9x plus 2, and minus 2 it becomes plus 2 again, equals to 0. Now the final equation is 2x squared plus 9x plus 4, which is equals to 0. We got a quadratic equation. By factorization, we will simplify it. So for factorization, we have to multiply the first and the last value, means the constant with the coefficient of x squared. So 4 times 2, we got the 8. So what are the factors of 8 that can make the 9? 8 times 1 is 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9. Then we will use the factors 8 and 1. So now the 2x squared plus 8x plus x plus 4 equals to 0. After that, we will take the common from this. What is the common here? In the first two terms, 2x is common. Now x plus 4 is left. On the other hand, nothing is common, so always we will take 1. Now x plus 4 will keep same, equals to 0. Then once again we will take common, which is x plus 4. Now the remaining terms we will write together, 2x plus 1 equals to 0. And then we will get the solutions of this equation. X is equals to minus 4. Both we will put separately equal to 0. Then we will rearrange the terms, so we will get minus 1 by 2. These are the solution of the required equation. Part E is x squared plus 2x minus 14 to the whole power is 5, which is equals to 1. So now in this question we need to remove the power 5. So it means that on the both side we will take the fifth root. Fifth root means minus 1 by 5. Minus 14 equals to 1. The power is 5. So we will take on the both sides the fifth root, which is equals to 1 by 5. And here also we will take 1 power 1 by 5. So now the 5 and 5 will cancel out. Here x squared plus 2x minus 14, which is equals to 1, because any power of the 1 is equals to 1. So now we will rearrange this equation. So it becomes x squared plus 2x, and we will shift the plus 1 there, it becomes minus 1. Minus 14 minus 1 would be minus 15 equal to 0. Again we will do the factorization there. So 15 times 1 is 15, and 5 times 3 is 15. 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. So we will use the factors 5 and 3. So x squared plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 equals to 0. Then again we will take the common, so x plus 5. At the second one minus 3 is common, so whenever we will take the minus common, the rest of all sign will change. Now this minus becomes plus. Then again we will take the common, so x plus 5 into x minus 3 equal to 0. Then we will set both equal to 0 separately, and we will get x is equals to minus 5 and x equals to 3. So the final result for this, it would be the minus 5 and 3. X is minus 5, then 3. Part f is x square minus 7x plus 11 to the whole power 8, which is equals to 1. As same as the previous question, here we will take the 8th root. 8th root means the 1 by 8 power. So now x square minus 7x plus 11 and to the power 8 equals to 1. Now at the both sides, we will take the power 1 over 8, and here also the power 1 by 8. Now 8 and 8 will cancel out, so we got x square minus 7x plus 11, which is equals to 1. Again we will use the same property, any power of 1 is equals to 1. So now we will shift the 1 on the other side, it becomes minus 1. So x squared minus 7x plus 11 minus 1, it becomes plus 10 equals to 0. Now the same method we will apply, multiply the coefficient of x squared with the constant. So 10 times 1 is 10. We will use the factors 5 times 2 is 10 and 5 plus 2 is 7, which is the middle term. Now the factors we will use minus 5x and plus 2x, minus 2x plus 10, which is equals to 0, because minus minus makes plus. Now the same method, we will take the common minus 5 and then minus 2 is common, then the next sign will change, plus into minus. After that, our final combination is x minus 5 and x minus 2 equal to 0. Then we will just put them separately equal to 0, and the x values we will get plus 5 and x is equals to plus 2. Minus 2 will shift into the positive values. So the final result is x equals to 5 and 2.